Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to highlight every other row in Excel. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. So I have two columns and a lot of rows. So I want to highlight let's say Noah, then Elijah, so on and so forth. You could do that manually, but that will take forever if you have hundreds of rows, right? So in order to highlight, you need to create your own rules. So let's select the area that you want to highlight and go to Home, Conditional Formatting, and click on Conditional Formatting and select New Rules. So under New Rules, you want to click on Use a formula to determine which cells to format. So again, all the formula starts with equal. So what is your formula? Your formula will be mode row comma 2 equal 1. So what does this formula means? That means mode means find a reminder, right? Reminder row number comma 2 means divided by 2 equal to 1. And let's say format, I'm going to select the format as, let's say, this blue color. Hit OK, click on OK. As you can see, every other row is highlighted. So let's check the rules, right? So in here, it's a row is 3. So 3 divided by 2, my reminder is 1. Again, 11 divided by 2, reminder is 1, so on and so forth. Okay, let's add a few more data here and see what happened. Tony, 20, Mike, 17. So when you add more data here, as you can see, it's not getting highlighted. Let's see why. Let's see how do we fix it. So in order to do that, go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. In here, go to Current Section, this worksheet, and in this rules it says A2 through A17, right? So it's going to start column row 2. It's going to stop at applies to 17, which is over here. So you want to update that, you could put like 2000 or 5000 if you want to, but let's do another way. I could say 30, I could say 400, apply, and it applies up to the 400 row. But let's change this. I want to start from row 2, row 2, and column A, comma, $sign B2, column B. So I'm going to start from B2, starting from B2 to B and A2 to A. Why I say A2? So I'll hit apply, hit OK. If you go up, because I don't want the first one not to get highlighted. But how do we fix the empty ones? So it's selecting everything which is empty too. So go back to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. So edit the formula by double clicking it. Again, in here I'm going to write an if condition. If 121 equal to blank, if it's not equal to blank, then do this. That means the condition is true. If it's not equal to blank, condition is true, it will apply, else it's going to be false. Click OK and hit apply. There you go, it removes which is not blank. click OK. So let's check it out. John, and as soon as you type the first one and the next one, it's highlighted, right? So the next row is empty, but that's also getting highlighted. So how do we fix that? So let's go back to the formula. So instead of 1 to 1, let's use $A2. That means the current row. Okay, so hit OK, apply. As you can see, if the row is not there, it's not going to add. So let's say, and James 12. As you can see, it, since it's a James added, it's get highlighted. So what if you want to highlight every 2 rows? Go to conditional formatting, double click on this. It says mode 2, right? So it's going to say 3 and click OK and apply. As you can see, it goes every 2, right? And hit OK. As if you, let's scroll up. So now this. So before I had it like this, every other row highlighting it, but I want to start from 2 and highlight every other row. So how do you do that? So again, go back to rules, edit the formula, and it says row comma 2 equal to 1, right? So mode equal to 1. So you want to change that mode equal to 0 and hit OK and OK. So now it's flipped. So 2 divided by 2 is 0. I mean 2 divided by 2 is 1, but you have a reminder 0. So 4 divided by 2, there is no reminder. So that's how you do it. Thank you.